Good morning everyone and welcome back to the Lights Up Lights Down channel to another feature project. With today we're starting on a new one which is a Mk2 which is in for the normal arches and sills. So as you would have seen from the last feature project, that was a very in-depth one. This one's just going to be quite a straightforward one. Jake's going to be doing this one, aren't you?
Yeah.
So we are just doing arches and sills and an MOT. So, quick talk on this one before Jake starts cutting it open. So it's had some previous work done. This is all aftermarket. You see there's no spot welds there, and then you start seeing them there. So, I mean the arch lips, just gonna have to see what they're like. I mean they don't feel too bad, but there's rust there. But you never really know how bad that's gonna be with what it was like before. So Jake's going to cut it open and then we'll come and see what it's like in a minute. And we're cut open. So Jake's just cut this off, haven't you, as you just seen from the time lapse?
No, it's just me working with your speed.
Yeah, that was so as you can see from the condition of what you could see before, yeah, it didn't look too bad, but that was where you could see, hang on, let's have a look. So from the outside, you literally just sort of saw that little bit of bubbling. Had this side been repaired on the arch lips?
Yes.
Yeah, so that had been, you only saw a little bit of bubbling there, but the result behind it is that. So that's going to have to be replaced.
Shame on this one because most of the sill end plate is intact.
Yeah.
It's not rotted away apart from the join that they do for the inner lip.
Yeah, we should be able to repair that or something. Yeah. And then underneath, in a sill, that's gone. That'll be replaced. So what generally, I mean, this has been repaired previously.
You can see from the back where they've welded it.
Yeah. Oh, okay, we've done it like that. Fair enough. Hang on, let's get this right. So that's so this panel here is the original panel, and then this is the panel that's been put over it. There we go. But at the end of the day, that's why it's still rusting. I don't think there was any protection put on the back of that other panel that's put in. Hasn't been put in a great way. But as you can see from these sills, they all rust the same pattern. It's down here, comes along, and goes up.
We'll have to take that up slightly. We've got rust there. Might mean going into the door shut, but
See what happens.
just keep cutting.
Yeah, so now Jake's going to get on with this. We'll rejoin Jake when you've got this all cut out and probably got some new panels to put in. Right, she's back from the paint shop. The guys have gone ahead and put this one back together, but it's all back and ready to go. We missed the time to do a little time lapse on it, so all the cars have been put back together, and I'll just show you underneath at the moment. It's had an under seal. Oh yeah, that helps a little bit. I was hoping this camera might pick it up. But there we go. Everything's been under sealed. And then, so the rust repairs at the back. All protected. Sill end plate. So it came back from the paint shop, and I think it was we were just on a mission to sort of get it done, and I missed Roy and Owen putting it back together. So was going to get a time lapse on it, but never mind, it's all done. Looks good. So this is going out, I think, is it Tuesday, Roy? Monday. So this is Saturday. So the guys, it needed to sort of get put back together. I was busy on another job, so I sort of missed. I didn't realise this was the one they were putting back together. So unfortunately, I didn't get any time lapse, but it's all done now, ready for the customer, and come back. And what we'll do is once it's washed, we'll come back to it. Right, we're back with the S692 SGK, one of the feature project ones, and it's now all finished. We didn't do the time lapse of it being put back together, but it's all finished off now. It's had a wash, under seal. The customer's literally just come to pick it up, so I'm just doing a quick video to finish it off. It's come out really nice. Cool. So that's it for this feature project. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.